In the beginning, I used to walk like this too.
Being in a room with someone who knows exactly what he has endured is a rare blessing for 7-year-old Jeremiah Mitchell. But that is exactly the bond he shares with Pedro Pimenta from Brazil.
I know what they've been through. I know it's tough, but I also know that it's not impossible. Like, you got a way out of it, you know, to overcome the situation.
Just like Jeremiah, Pedro recently lost his limbs to bacterial meningitis. He came to Hanger Prosthetics to be fitted with and learn how to use his new arms and legs.
I'll start getting better. In December 6th, I ditched the wheelchair. Forever, never touched again.
Pedro has no doubt Jeremiah will soon do just the same.
I wanted to come here because I wanted to tell him and to make it clear that it's not over, it's just beginning a new way of life, but he'll be able to do a lot of stuff. If he works hard, he's gonna be able to accomplish any goal he sets.
When they said he probably would be brain dead or wouldn't make it or never walk again, I was like, no. We have plans. The Lord has plans.
Michaela Mitchell never doubted her son would overcome his challenges, but she says seeing Pedro inspires Jeremiah to do just that.
And there's your proof right there, and I hope it inspires you.
I wanted to meet him too because he's gonna teach a lot of people in his life, for sure. He's got the spirit.